Before you begin this practice of Chandra Namaskar, the pre-full moon ritual, a powerful preparation, give yourself a few moments to allow the body and breath prepare. Stand on the 2 feet close to each other, eyes gently closed, arms besides the body. Weight equally distributed, and fall into the natural rhythm of your breath. And once you bring in that stillness, try to observe if there is any spontaneous movement which arrives after this stillness. Let the inhale and exhale flow naturally. And now gently withdraw your awareness from the breath and place it between the eyebrows, the center of the eyebrows, Bhrumadhya. And try to visualize a shining full moon in a clear night sky above the waves of the ocean. And try to bring in this visualization with a clear image where the moonlight falls on the waves of the ocean. And by this, when your body is still, your breath is rhythmic. Try to feel if there is any sensation, any feeling within your body here. And then gently allow this to fade away while we prepare to practice Chandra Namaskar. So bring your palms into the chest, align the spine, the posture. And begin by inhaling into Hasta Uttanasana. Open and bend behind. Exhale into Pada Hastasana, flowing forward, where we empty out. Inhaling, take the left foot behind into Ashwa Sanchalan. Now while inhaling, lift your arms up into Ardha Chandrasana. Keep your breath in, hold it in. And while exhaling, gently place the palms down. Curl your back toe and flow into, exhaling into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhaling, flow into Dandasana. Exhaling to the floor, Ashtanga Namaskar, belly up, hips raised. Inhaling, squeeze up into Bhujangasana. Exhale once again into Adho Mukha Svanasana. And swing your left foot forward, inhaling into Ashwa Sanchalan. While you raise your arms up, bend behind, stretch open, hold the breath in for a few moments. And then while exhaling, bring the palms down, curl the back toe, exhale into Pada Hastasana. Inhale back into Hasta Uttanasana and exhale into Pranamasana. This is half of the Chandra Namaskar. Let's continue. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, right foot behind Ashwa Sanchalan. Keep inhaling while you lift your arms. Hold your breath in for a few moments. And while exhaling, bring the palms down. Curl the back toe and exhale into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale into Dandasana. Exhale to the floor, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale and rise into Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale the right foot forward, Ashwa Sanchalan. And keep inhaling till you stretch and open. Hold the breath in for a few moments. And exhale while you place your palms back onto the mat. Lift the back toe and exhale into Padahastasana. Inhale into Hastottanasana. And exhale to complete one round of Chandra Namaskar.